Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we show you how to connect your Applaud bot to Slack. Before we get started, make sure your generative bot is ready to use in Applaud. When you're ready, head to app.workato.com and sign in. Select Platform from the sidebar, then Workbot. Select Custom Bots and New Custom Bot. Select Workbot for Slack from the application field. Then enter a name for your bot in step 2. Select Create New App. You're prompted to pick a workspace to develop your app. Choose your workspace from the field and select Next. The review summary gives you information on the scope of your bot, including features and settings. Select Create when ready. You should see the name of your bot in the top left corner. Move down to step 3 of your Applaud integration tab. As you can see, we need the client ID, client secret and sign-in secret. We can find this in the Basic Information tab from the Slack API. Scroll down to App Credentials. Copy the client ID and paste it in the client ID field in your Applaud integration. Do the same for client secret and sign-in secret. Select Save when you're ready. Now we need to verify the URL. You can do this in the App Manifest tab from Slack API. Verify the URL at the top of the page. You should see a success message. Now in Basic Information, select Install to Workspace. Give consent for the bot to access your Slack workspace. You should now see the bot available directly from your Slack apps list. If your bot doesn't appear after a few seconds, go to the Installed Apps tab in the Slack API directory. Select your app and select Open in Slack. You won't see much here yet because we still need to create the connection. In the Installed Bots tab of the Workbot section, select Add Bot to Team and choose the bot you created. Give your connection a bespoke name or leave it as is. Then select a location. Leave everything else as is and select Connect. Select Allow from the Slack prompt. Now you need to create a recipe using your connection. In the Recipes tab, select Create, then Recipe. Give the recipe a name. Select a location and use the trigger from an app starting point. Select Workbot for Slack and New Event. In the connection phase, select the connection we just established. In Event Name, select Message. Now add an action under your recipe trigger. This should be action in an app. In App, select your Applaud app, as we need to call your generative bot for your new Slack app. Use the Searcher Model action to locate your chatbot model. Use the chatbot title property field to locate it. To do this, enter the name of your bot from Applaud. We also need to gather the user's information so that the bot can retrieve the appropriate information for their requirements. To do this, add another action in an app. Select Workbot for Slack and get user info by email or user ID. In the user ID field, select the user data pool from step 1. Now add an action below to search the user model in Applaud. Locate the email property field and enter the email data pool from step 3. Then add another recipe action underneath. Select your Applaud app again and select the Send a Chat Message action. In the bot ID field, select the ID data pool from step 2. And for user ID, select the user ID data pool from step 4. In the channel field, enter the name of your Applaud bot. For message, select the text data pool from step 1. Add another action in an app underneath. This action takes the response from the Applaud chatbot and posts it in Slack. Select Workbot for Slack and post message. In the channel name field, select the channel data pool from step 1, as we're posting the response where the user first sent the message. Select Add Block to Message. Here you can design how your response looks. For simplicity, we're using section with text. In the section text field, select the response data pool from step 5. Now save your recipe, exit, and start. Test your recipe works by posting a message in the bot on Slack. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.